this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the CNC router to complete project 233. First, we need to place our stock into the Patriot CNC router. Notice I place it in the bottom left-hand corner and tighten down the clamps evenly. Make sure you close the door until the door is in the lock position. Next, we're going to go on to the Techno CNC interface software, where we're going to load our initials. You need to click File and find where you placed it. Notice that I go to E, that's the flash drive, and I find my initials. Now we need to zero the CNC router according to the stock that we placed in there. So we need to find the bottom left-hand corner of the block and tell the machine that that is our 0. That is our home. Notice that it's moving a little fast. So I'm going to slow down the jog speed so we can precisely find home, which is the center of the bit lined up over the bottom left-hand corner of our stock. We do this to set the work coordinate system origin each time we do a stock setup. You may need to go to the left side of the machine to make sure that you're lined up with the bottom of the block, and come around to the front of the machine, make sure that the center of the bit is lined up with the left edge of the block to make sure that you're right above the corner. Bring down the Z till you're just above the material not touching, go to 0 and 0 all. Notice how all the axes are now zeroed out. Preview the job to make sure your starting point is the appropriate distance from the red origin marker. Pre-process, turn the router on, and hit start. Keep your hand right next to the emergency stop switch just in case something goes wrong. At this point, you can turn the router off as the bit goes to a safe position. Hit stop on the software, open up the door, and take out your stock.